When planning a bow window installation or replacement in your Fayetteville home, one of the most important decisions you'll face is selecting the right material. Bow windows are not only a striking architectural feature but also a long-term investment in comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. The material you choose will affect how well your windows perform against the region's weather, how much maintenance they require, and how they complement your home's design. Why material choice matters. Fayetteville experiences warm summers, cool winters, and a fair share of rain. These conditions make durability and energy efficiency essential. Bow windows, which curve outward and feature multiple panels, need materials that can withstand the elements while maintaining their structural integrity and beauty. Choosing wisely means lower utility bills, less upkeep, and lasting style. Popular materials for bow windows. Vinyl is one of the most popular choices among Fayetteville homeowners. Known for affordability and energy efficiency, vinyl bow windows are low maintenance and resistant to moisture. They don't warp, peel, or rot, which makes them well suited for Fayetteville's variable climate. Pros: budget-friendly, energy-efficient, minimal upkeep. Cons: limited color options compared to other materials. Wood. For a timeless and elegant appearance, wood is hard to beat. Wood bow windows bring natural warmth and a high-end finish, making them ideal for traditional or historic homes in Fayetteville. However, they require consistent maintenance to protect against moisture and pests. Pros: classic look, excellent insulation, customizable with paints and stains. Cons: higher maintenance, higher cost, vulnerable to humidity if not sealed properly. Fiberglass. Fiberglass is gaining popularity for its combination of durability and energy performance. It resists warping, swelling, and cracking, making it ideal for long-lasting bow window installations. Fiberglass can also mimic the look of wood without the high maintenance demands. Pros: strong, long lifespan, energy efficient, versatile styles. Cons: more expensive than vinyl, limited availability in some designs. Aluminum. Aluminum bow windows are lightweight yet sturdy, offering a sleek, modern profile. They're especially popular for contemporary Fayetteville homes. However, aluminum is not as energy efficient as other options unless it includes a thermal brake system. Pros: durable, slim frames for more glass area, modern look. Cons: lower insulation performance, may require more energy to maintain comfort. Key considerations for Fayetteville homeowners: energy efficiency. Look for windows with double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and insulated frames to handle Fayetteville's climate effectively. Maintenance needs. Consider how much time you're willing to invest in upkeep. Vinyl and fiberglass require little attention, while wood needs more care. Aesthetic goals. Match the window's material with your home's architecture. Wood suits traditional styles, while aluminum and fiberglass complement modern designs. Budget. Factor in not just the initial cost but also the long-term savings on energy and maintenance. Final thoughts: choosing the right material for your bow windows in Fayetteville is about balancing beauty, performance, and practicality. Vinyl offers a cost-effective, low-maintenance solution. Wood provides timeless charm but demands upkeep. Fiberglass delivers strength and energy efficiency with style flexibility. Aluminum works well for modern aesthetics but may need additional insulation support. By weighing these options against your budget, lifestyle, and design preferences, you can select a bow window material that enhances your home's comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal for years to come.